Hello, what's up, madlang people? This is a requested patch, and they asked me to do a patch by Brian May of Queen for the song Bohemian Rhapsody. So just a little bit of disclaimer. It's really difficult because I had to learn the guitar solo. So I had to look online for the guitar solo, and I am doing my best to do that. And then I searched for Brian May's gear so that I can sort of capture his tone. So he's using his famous guitar, that red guitar, Brian May guitar, and the pickups is really different configuration, and that guitar they built it with his dad, so it's a customized guitar. So there's lots of things to consider apart from Brian May's skills and the way he projects the guitar solo. So the other thing that I've learned is he's using that sixpence, that coin, as his plectrum. On the first part of the video, you've seen that I was using the 20 pence as a plectrum. So just trying to recreate how Brian May does the guitar solo. And what else? Oh yeah, the pickup got the out phase or in phase selector with that guitar. So I was trying to experiment if I put a phaser effects, and would that work? But it didn't. I mean, the phaser effects was too much. If I can tame it down, probably it would have worked. So let's crack on and explain to you what I did. Right, I chose the VX combo because Brian May is using Vox 30. So this is the one that I chose. You can play the gain if you want it more drive. You can increase that one, you can play with the tube as well. But with me, I'm happy with this setting. Gain 31, tube 30, level 100, treble 44, mid 50, bass 49, presence 53, cab VX, combo 2x12, and output line. So that's for our amp. So if you got a Vox amp, go for it. You can remove that one there. And then I had to push it using the T-Scream or tube screamer. So the gain is 50, tone 50, level 50. So if you got the pedal, the tube screamer, you can use that one as well. Just play it around if you need that. Because I think there's a bit of push. I think it's a treble booster that Brian May is using. So that's another one. Now this is what I was trying to tell you earlier, so that we can get that phase out effect from his pickup. I used the DeTune. So cent 5, pred 8, mix 70, tone 7, level 100. So this is the one that's going to emulate his sound, that distinct sound from his guitar and pickups. And the last bit is the reverb. Brian May is a big fan of delay, but on this particular song I chose this one, the reverb. So decay 15, and then tone 7, mix 56, pred 90, level 100, tail off. So you can mix and match. You can change the DeTune to a chorus or phaser, and then the reverb you can put a delay, and then see it for yourself which one will suit your guitar, because mind you, our gear are different. So I'm using my Lion by Washburn with single coil, so you might be using a SG or Les Paul or PRS, or a different guitar, different configuration, different pickups. You can mix and match and see which one will work. And the other thing that I wanted to emphasize as well is the pickup. So I was trying to experiment on the first part of this video between a humbucker and the middle pickup, and then the neck pickup and middle pickup. I find that using the coin, the neck pickup and the middle pickup sounds nice, but using a plectrum, a proper pick, it's a bit dull. And then when I tried it with the bridge pickup and the middle pickup, it worked. So just try and experiment, guys. But the patch is there. That's sort of a guide, and you can tweak it depending on what gear you got, what amp, etc, etc. So I hope this video helps, and see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.